Right now I feel like a bird, caged without a key. Everyone comes to stare at me with so much joy and revelry, but they don't know how I feel inside. Through my smile I cry. They don't know what they're doing to me, keeping me from flying. That's why I say that I know why the caged bird sings. Only joy comes from song. She's so rare and beautiful to others. Why not just set her free so she can fly, fly, fly for the whole world to see. Let her fly, fly, fly for the whole world to see. Oh. Feels like the world is closing on me. Feels like my dreams will never come to be. I keep on slipping deeper into myself, and I'm scared, so scared. If you're troubled, you just gotta let it go. All your hustles ain't for nothing. You just gotta take it slow. If you need me, baby, you just need to let me know. Why does it feel that my mind is constantly trying to pull me down? I can't seem to get away. Continuous mistakes I know I made before. How long will I feel so out of place? If you're troubled, you just gotta let it go. All your hustles ain't for nothing. You just gotta take it slow. If you need me, baby, you just gotta let me know. Life is cheap, bittersweet, but it tastes good to me. Take my turn, crash and burn. That's how it's supposed There's so much more than what we see. So don't rain on my parade. Life's too short to waste one day. I'm gonna risk it all. The freedom to fall, yes, it sure looks good to me. Yeah, it sure looks good to me. Deep in my mind, I'm secure with getting by. I wanna see a light before I die, before I lie in empty space. Darkness comes and I've been telling my soul and me and myself, we turn around, we're getting old, but the lightning flashing, foolish emotions of the bruises and the beauty of this moment that I'm feeling, and I feel like I'm seeing the world inside of me, but I can tell you that I know it's getting easier to breathe. Is it cold in the morning? Endless equation of who we become. It's a complex situation, so live, love, life, live, love, live, love, life, live, love, live, love, life, live, love. Who are we anyway? So don't rain on my parade. Life's too short to waste one day. I'm gonna risk it all. The freedom to fall, yes, it sure looks good to me. Yes, I'm telling you, it sure looks good to me. Oh, it sure looks good to me. Me, yeah, it looks good to me. Ooh. I lost control over all my energy. Done so much damage to my heart. I've given in. I changed my identity. I didn't mean to go so far. Oh, oh my God, I wish I could be better than this. My God, wish I could be. 'Cause I'm so done holding my tongue, holding me back. I'm living the way that I want. I'm living the way that I want. I'm living the way that I want. Said I'm so done. I'm living the way that I want. She's just a girl and she's on fire. Harder than a fantasy, lonely like the highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire, filled with catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away. Oh, she got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down. Oh, she got her head in the clouds and she's not backing down. This girl is on fire. like she's lighting up the night. Nobody knows that she's alone.